Water is one of the most important resources for any home. Yet many homeowners never consider how easily rainwater can be collected and reused. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Rainwater safely for practical, everyday use. Rainwater harvesting is a simple concept. When rain falls on a roof surface, it naturally flows into gutters and downspouts. Instead of allowing this water to run off into the ground or storm drains, collection systems redirect the water into storage tanks or barrels. This stored water can then be used for gardening, irrigation, and in some cases, household uses. But there is real science behind designing a safe rainwater system. The first factor is roof material. Certain roofing materials are more suitable for water collection than others. Metal roofs are often considered ideal because they shed water quickly and do not contain many of the chemicals found in some roofing products. The second factor is filtration. Before rainwater enters storage tanks, debris such as leaves, dirt, and insects must be removed. Many systems use simple screens or first flush diverters to prevent contaminants from entering the tank. The first flush device is particularly important. When rain first begins to fall, it washes dust and debris from the roof surface. A first flush diverter allows that initial dirty water to drain away before cleaner water enters the storage tank. Storage is another important consideration. Rainwater tanks must be sealed properly to prevent contamination, insect entry, and algae growth caused by sunlight exposure. Many systems also include basic filtration or treatment before the water is used. For non-drinking uses such as irrigation, simple filtration is often sufficient. However, water intended for drinking typically requires more advanced purification. Rainwater harvesting can significantly reduce dependence on municipal water systems, especially in areas with seasonal rainfall patterns. It also reduces stormwater runoff and helps conserve groundwater resources. For homeowners interested in sustainability and self-reliance, rainwater collection is one of the simplest technologies to implement. Understanding the principles behind filtration, storage, and safe collection ensures the system works effectively for years. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.